never get like these guys are so see those red. Now here in roasting is where that whole 11.5 to 12% moisture points out for the coffee. Okay? Come on in, got people right behind you. It's gonna get better. See, they only let us in here because they know I'll help. We're in the middle of 2 really big orders right now. So you guys luck out when I'm here too. There's a medium dark.
Did you wait till it's done frying?
Take note of the color of the coffee. It's going to continue to develop right here as it's cooling. Okay, the artist roasting is on how much more it's going to develop right here in the cooling tray. It will appear smaller because the oils, the flavor, and the caffeine and the bean are still inside the bean. There'll be absolutely no oil showing. Whereas the longer I roast the bean, it'll continue to get bigger as I open up the cell walls of the bean, letting out all the oils